Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene, the host on this channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe and get exciting videos. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning my new apartment. Okay, it's not an apartment. In the village where I moved to, I finally got some place to stay. So, but the walls are dirty, the place is dirty. Let me show you how I try to clean it. And also empty house tour. Hope you enjoy. So basically this is the kitchen, but it's locally made. That thing is locally made, but it's broken. And this is what? Let me show you from the entrance, I guess. So that is the entrance of this place. But you can see the walls are dirty, the door is dirty, the windows are dirty. Everything is dirty. So this is the first room you enter. Someone is going to pick up his stuff. Also, you can see there is a hen hatching. It's all going to be picked up. More dirty walls. So this is like the first room. It's a house of 2 rooms. So this is the first room, and this is the second room. Look how dirty it is. I got someone to help me clean it. Sorry about the echoes, the room is empty. And she's trying to clean it, but realize when you try to clean this paint, it actually washes. So I've decided to just dust it, and then maybe we shall paint it. We shall just buy paint and have to paint this place. That is the other room, the door for this room. Yeah, so I'll show you guys after we are done cleaning. I'll kind of show you the outcome. Yeah, so that's what I wake up to looking at in the morning. So looking better, though we shall still paint it. I wanted to first wash and make it clean. You can hire my cleaning services. Yeah. we'll just wait for painting the walls, but I'm done with the cleaning. Let me show you how it turned out. Did we try? Let me show you. Okay. The walls could still be dirty because when we tried to clean them, it was peeling off instead. So we dusted it, waited, and then we shall wait for the guy to paint. Yeah, I had to put back that hen in there, but someone is coming to pick it. Yeah, and then my partner is there, finished. So that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and yeah, I love you all. Bye.